Well, the unofficial start of summer is less than a week away, but the promise of summer fun and our Memorial Day getaways comes at a time of rising COVID cases and increasing hospitalizations. To help you and your family have fun and make informed decisions, I spoke to the state's chief medical executive to get the lay of the COVID landscape now and for this summer. Stay-at-home mom Mariah Kane is looking forward to getting away with her husband and twin girls. They're going up north.
I plan on taking my girls rock hunting and mineral finding on our Great Lakes.
She says she enjoys the slower pace of life, the history, and nature.
There's so much to explore, just the hidden treasures of shipwrecks and, just diving, swimming, all of that.
Another appeal are the safer outdoor activities. COVID cases are on the rise statewide.
People have used terms like mini surge. We are definitely seeing an uptick in cases.
Dr. Natasha Bagdasarian says the current rise in COVID cases is nothing like we saw during the Omicron and Delta surges. The increase in cases isn't as steep, and the outcomes don't seem to be as severe.
Because we're not seeing ICU beds occupied by COVID patients. We're not seeing the same types of severe consequences.
Which is good news. Hospitals aren't feeling the same kind of pressure we saw earlier in the pandemic. And while the increase in cases was predicted, they were expected to peak in early May. But that hasn't happened.
We're going to keep a very close eye on that and work with some of our partners who do modeling of these types of situations to see what the next few months will look like.
So it's not exactly clear when cases will peak, although they are expected to decrease before rising again this fall and winter. The state, COVID forecasters at the University of Michigan, and other modeling partners will be looking at local trends, but also variants around the world. As we prepare to start summer, Dr. Bagdasarian says don't give in to COVID fatigue. Socializing outdoors and masking up in indoor spaces lowers transmission. Getting vaccinated and boosted lowers the risk of severe illness and hospitalizations. And get tested if you think you might have the virus.
There are more over-the-counter tests being released by the Biden administration, and we have over-the-counter tests that are available free at places like libraries and YMCAs.
Mariah's family has a plan: socialize outdoor and reconnect with nature and friends.
Exploring and actually being able to see people's faces and smile.
Yeah, and we're all looking forward to that. Now, since we're not doing as much public testing anymore and we're seeing more at-home tests, I asked Dr. Bagdasarian what the true number of COVID cases really is. Her response? That number is not as important as the trend in cases. She says that the cases that are being reported to the state, along with hospitalizations and other data like wastewater surveillance, gives public health leaders an idea of where cases are going, sometimes before people are even diagnosed.